Let's see how to build an AI chatbot using Google Gemini AI, and we are going to use the latest model, which is Gemini 1.5 Flash-8B. So Google Gemini has recently released this particular model. So here it has tons of benefits. For example, it is 50% lower pricing compared to the previous 1.5 Flash model, and it also has 2x higher limits. And here you can actually check the accuracy over here, and it's pretty much doing very well. And here this can actually support up to 1 million tokens as well, and the pricing actually differs based on the number of tokens right here. So let's see how to use this particular model, Gemini 1.5 Flash-8B, to build your AI chatbots. So here I'm in a demo account. So here if you go to settings over here, so in settings you have the option of the integrations over here. So in integrations you can actually connect your Google Gemini right here. So if you're wondering how to connect your Google Gemini API keys, you can click on learn more over here, and it will take you directly to this particular guide on Google Gemini integration. And here you will see this link, get API keys here. So if you click on this link, you'll taken to this particular page where you can actually create your API keys and simply connect it on our platform. So once it is connected, you will see this sort of window as you can see right here. And the fastest way to create an AI chatbot is just you can actually simply add your business information right here and continue. Simple as that. So here let's add some business information over here. So let's use this information. So here this is some business information about a car washing company. So let me use that one right here. So here they have some introduction about the business, the pricing, the services they offer, and also the contact information as well. So likewise you can actually come up with the information for your own business as well. Alright, so let me paste that information, and here let me add the prompt over here. So you are a helpful assistant to this particular company. Respond to customers a question in just 1 to 2 sentences. Alright, I have added this sort of prompt over here, and here you have the option to choose the model. So here in the model option you have 1.5 Flash-8B, 1.5 Flash, and Pro. So this is the latest model. You can use it, and here you can actually adjust the temperature as well, and click continue. Make sure you activate this one as well, because if you want to use any sort of business information you have provided, then you have to make sure to activate this one, so that the AI chatbot simply works on whatever the channels you have connected right here. So here we have connected all the possible channels, including the Facebook page, WhatsApp, Instagram, SMS, Telegram, voice, and the website as well. So this simply works on all the connected channels right here automatically. So here if you're wondering how to connect these channels, you can simply go to settings over here. So in settings you have the option of channels, and you can simply connect Facebook page by simply click on connect button and simply choose whatever the Facebook page you want to connect, and likewise you can do the same for the other channels as well. Alright, so let me make sure this is active and click save. So now when a particular customer send any sort of messages from any of these channels connected right here, then the chatbot will simply use the business information we have provided right here to answer any sort of customers questions over there. So let me show how this actually works on the Instagram over here, and let me share my phone screen over here. Alright, so let me send a message. What services do you provide? So let me send this message and see what happens over here. And it says we offer express wash, full service wash, detailing services, wax polish, and interior cleaning. Can you tell me about the pricing as well? So let's see what sort of a response we get over here, and it simply sends us the pricing details as well. So likewise, whatever the questions asked by the customers based on this particular information, it simply respond to them. So let me ask, where are you located? So let's see if it actually sends us the address right there. Simple as that. So that's how it actually works on the Instagram. So likewise it can simply works on other channels as well, and whatever the conversation happening right here can be tracked through this omnichannel inbox. So if I go to the inbox, we should see all the conversation just has happened over here. So here using this omnichannel inbox, you can actually send messages to the customer as a human agent as well. So here as you see, it says bot is active, So if someone actually send a message from this inbox, it will be actually, this particular conversation will be transferred to the human folder. So if I go to the bot folder, you should see this conversation right here. So let me show that. So let me say, hi, a human agent is here. So let me send this message, and as you can see, the bot is active is gone. And if I go to this human folder, we should see this one. So now if I go to the bot folder, we don't see that particular chat over there. So because this is transferred to the human, and now if a particular customer send any sort of messages, they won't get any sort of response because this is actually handled by a human. So here, let me send any sort of messages, they won't receive any sort of responses because it has to be handled by a human. And after they actually transfer the conversation to bot, from there the chatbot will active and they will be able to so now the chatbot is active. So now if a customer send any sort of messages, the chatbot will start responding them because I activated the chatbot right there. As you see, it simply works over here. So that's a quick video on how you can use Gemini 1.5 Flash-8B to create your AI chatbot for your business. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments. Thank you.